Hi, Grade 7. Welcome to Ms. Moises Math Virtual Classroom. This time, we will discuss about operation on sets, union, and intersection. So first, intersection of sets. The intersection of sets A and B, written as A intersect B, is a set of elements that are members of both A and B. Or we can say that these are the common elements of sets A and B. Example, given set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B is 2, 4, 6. And set C is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So find number 1, A intersect B. Number 2, A intersect C. Then number 3, B intersect C. Or we can also read it as the intersection of sets B and C. For number 1, it involves sets A and B. So intersection, so look for their common elements. So the common elements are 2, 4, and 6. So A intersect B is 2, 4, 6. So since every element of their intersection is also in set B, they are the same, so we can say that B is a subset of A. Next, number 2, A intersects C. So you will just consider or look at sets A and C. What are their common elements? So common elements are 1, 3, and 5. So if there are some elements that are common to two sets, so say sets A and B, A and C, so we can say that they are joint set. Next. So B intersect C. So look at the elements of set B and set C. Are there common elements? So there is no common elements. So we can say that it is an empty set. So no common elements. So in this case, if the intersection of two sets is an empty set, so it is a disjoint set. Okay, second, union of sets. The union of sets A and B, written as A union B, is the set of elements that are members of set A, or members of set B, or members of both A and B. Example, given set A is, so I will still use the same given. So set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set B is 2, 4, 6. And set C is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So find A union B, A union C, and B union C. So the first one is A union B. So look at set A and set B. Okay, so union, you will list all the elements that you can see in set A and all the elements in set B. So for set A, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you will also list all the elements of set B. So 2, we already have 2, and 4, and 6. So the answer is A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, next. Number 2, A union C. So you will just look at set A and set C. List all the elements involved in set A and C. So these are, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then look at set C. We already have 1, 3, 5. So you will just add 7, 9. So A union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Number 3, B union C. So look at set B and C. You will just list all the elements of B and C. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So we just write it in order, so in increasing order. So B union C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So let us try. So look at the given. Set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Set C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Set D is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So number 1 is A intersect B. So you just have to look for set A and B. Okay, so what are their common elements? Because it is intersections of common elements of A and B are 2, 3, 5. Next, number 2. It is union. The union of sets A and C. So A and C. So you will just list all the elements involved. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 8, 10. Did you get it? I hope so. Number 3. So the intersection of A and D. So A intersect D. So intersection common elements. So common elements of A and B are 1, 3, 5. Next, number 4. Union of A and B. So A union B. So you will consider all. Write all the elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we already have 2, 3, 5. So 7. So that is the union of A and B. Number 5, intersection. So common elements of B and C. So B, so 2. Okay, so what else? So it is just 2. So number 5, we only have one element. So we can say that it is singleton or unit set. So B intersects C. Number 6, the intersection of A and C. Common elements of A and C. So you have 2, 4. Okay, next, number 7. A union B. Will you try it? Okay, so you will just list all the elements. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Next, number 8, intersection. So C intersect B, common elements. So it is empty set because there is no common element between C and B. So it is empty set, or we can say that they are disjoint set. Number 9. A intersect B intersect D. So what is the common elements between A, B, and D? So A, B, and D. So we have 3 and 5. So 3, 5. Number 10, the union of A, B, and D, or A union B union D. You will consider or list all the elements of set A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set B. So we will just add 7. And D. 9. Okay, so that is the answer. So A union B union D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so that will be all. And thank you.